Want to know how to fix PUBG Mobile stuck on Tencent logo? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just a few minutes. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you can just simply restart your application or have a stable Wi-Fi. Switch between data and Wi-Fi and restart your Wi-Fi if possible. So if it doesn't work, just simply head towards your app settings. Just hold the icon, head towards app settings, and on the bottom right side you can see clear data. Just simply select it and then delete both clear cache and clear data one by one. So once that is done, any junk files would be removed and your PUBG Mobile might reset and it might help. So if it still doesn't work, you can delete these folders manually. Just simply head towards File Explorer, and once you're there, simply head towards Android, and after Android just simply select OBB and then select Tencent.ig. You can just simply delete it right here and head back and again delete data right here. Simply select data and search up for Tencent again, and you can just simply delete it. This will delete game files but keep your account safe. So it keeps your account safe, so you can just now restart your device and it should work, and that's it. If it still hangs, just simply uninstall and reinstall the game. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.